In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick add button in Notion. This can be a handy feature for those of us looking to streamline our workflow and make adding new entries more efficient. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the page in Notion where you want to add this new feature. Once you're on the correct page, the first thing you need to do is type the / key, then the word button. This shortcut is a quick way to bring up the button creation function in Notion. Once you've typed in your button, you'll see a suggestion pop-up appear. Simply click on this suggestion to start configuring your new button. Next, you'll need to provide a name for your button. For this tutorial, we'll call it Quick Add. Naming your button is crucial as it helps you identify its purpose immediately. After naming the button, you'll encounter an option labeled New Action. By clicking on this, you'll begin to specify what this button will actually do each time it's pressed. Here, we're going to set our button to Add Page To, which helps in quickly creating new pages in your selected database or page. Now that we've specified adding a new page as an action, we'll need to choose a data source. This can be done by clicking on Select Data Source. If you don't have a specific database in mind, you can create a new one by selecting New Database. With our data source selected, we're now invited to add additional actions to our button. Click on Add Action again to continue. This brings us to a few options where we aim to open what we've just created. Let's proceed by selecting Open. Here, choose Open Page, Form or URL, which tells Notion to take you directly to the new page after it's been added. Now, click on Select Page. You'll choose the specific page or database where you want these quick additions to appear. As we reach the final steps, you'll see an option titled Page Added. Clicking on this lets Notion know to show a confirmation of the page creation. Just a few more clicks left. Now select Center Peak. This option allows the new page to open in the middle of your screen, providing a quick view of the content you've just added. For the finishing touch, click on Done to save your Quick Add button configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quick add button in Notion. Now each time you press this button, a new page will be added to your chosen database, giving you a streamlined and efficient way to manage your entries. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope this new feature makes your Notion experience even better.